Jai Hind student. Today we are going to discuss the macroeconomics, another unit that is determinations of income and employment. In this we are going to discuss the aggregate demand and its components. The first, what is aggregate demand? Aggregate demand refers to the total demand for final goods and services in an economic during a year. The household, firm, government incur expenditure as when they demanded goods and services. Aggregate demand can also be viewed as a total expenditure since the demand for real goods and services arise only out of expenditure. In the sense, aggregate demand and aggregate expenditure become one and the same thing. Thus, aggregate demand equal to the total amount of money which the household, firm, government are willing to spend on a purchase of goods and services during a given period. In another language, we can say that aggregate demand refer to the total value of final goods and services which all the sector of a economy are planning to buy at given level of income in a year. Here two things are very important, all the sector of economic and the planning to buy at a given income. These 2 points are very important. Now we discuss the component of aggregate demand, that is first private, that is household consumptions expenditure we donated by C, private investment expenditure we donated by I, government expenditure donated by X, and net export X minus M, that is AD is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. In the private household consumption expenditure, the total expenditure incurred by all the household of a country on their personal consumption is called private consumptions or expenditures. In other words, we can say that the total demand for goods and services for consumption purpose by all the household of a country in the country private consumption demand. Next, investment expenditure. Expenditure referred to the demand for a capital goods. These demands depend on the prevailing rate of interest. It is inversely related to the rate of interest. Here, investment means addition to the existing stock of a real capital assets such as machine, tools, implement, factory building, and inventory, etc. Next, government expenditure. We are aware that government purchases a variety of goods and services in a country. And so government purchase of goods services indicate government demand for goods and services. It is undertaken for the satisfaction of collectively wants, that is road, railway, canal, dam, electricity, water supply, etc. Next, net export. Net export is equal to the export minus import. Export indicate the demand for country goods by the foreign, and while import is indicate demand for foreign goods by the countryman. Means net export is export minus import. But here we are discuss only two sector model or two sector of economic, that is aggregate demand is equal to consumption plus investment. And one thing we also noted that autonomous consumption. What is autonomous consumption? When the income is zero, then also we consume some small ratio of survival for survival. It is indicated by the bar C. इसका मतलब ये होता है जब हमारी इनकम जीरो होती है तब भी हम कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ रेशियो हम कहते हैं कंज्यूम करते हैं फॉर द सर्वाइवल. फ्रॉम द शेड्यूल वी कैन क्लियर मोर. when income is zero, the consumption is 20, that is autonomous consumption, that and it is a investment. So aggregate demand is equal to C plus I. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. When income is raised to 40, the consumption is also raised, that is 20 to 50, and but investment is same. Here investment is same and aggregate demand is 50 plus 20 is equal to 70, like that 80, 120, 160 and 200. Or here investment is constant because we conclude that it is the autonomous investment or it is necessary. Thank you.